Babes Vasquez is watching. Tay.
Okay. Good. No? Four people are
Sure.
watching. Yep.
Sexy Babes is watching, tatay.
Shout out to Sixby,
Yay! Yay!
our BFF.
I know there's only 4 of you, but welcome to the live stream. I don't know, no one's saying anything. It's really weird and awkward. I don't know why. What are you trying to do?
I want to do.
Okay.
I don't know how to move it, because I want to. How am I going to, like, I want to close up Brie.
You're not gonna. I don't know. That? I don't know how else you're gonna do it. You have to figure it out. I'm not gonna be able to do it for you, so I don't know.
Good morning, Philippines.
How will I remove
America.
just like that?
You have to just. Dapat anik mo sa case mo. Tulap mo siya mo.
Okay.
Bro, put na yun sa case mo ba? Nakay ko naman siya.
Tapos for the comments, I'll just scroll.
For comments, you go look at that, I think. No.
Do the man who jumbles
Yeah, I guess so.
and he dance for you.
You have to scroll up in the comments.
Worn out shoes, silver hair and rotten shirts and baggy pumps. The old soft shoes. You jump so high, you jump so high. Then we lightly touch them. I made a man who sailed in New Orleans. He was
Jean Guevara is watching.
down and out. He looked to me to be the eyes of age.
Shout out kay Jean Guevara.
As he spoke right out,
And,
he took a flight. He took a flight.
Rodolfo Delisay.
His lips looked so stem.
Yay! Daw, nagalag daw. Jennifer Salwaga. Woo!
He said his name
Jenny
was
De Lara,
John,
are you
and
out
he
there?
danced the lick
Martin! Yay!
across the sand.
Marta di si Brie, oh. Brie!
He grabbed his pants.
Say hi to Martin.
And jumped so high. And then he clicked his heels
Kailan ni ko nagputang ko ganito?
and let go laugh.
Comments
And
na
let
ko
go
na.
laugh. Shoot back his clothes around. Mr. Bojangles,
Ang comments.
Marami pa.
Mr. Bojangles,
Yan, pala niya.
Mr.
Preparing.
Bojangles. He danced for those who miss the shows in country fairs.
Shout out to Dominic Gora.
Throughout the South, he spoke with tears in 15 years, how it stuck in him. Traveled about, the dog up and died, he up and died. After 20 years, he still breathes. He said he danced on every chance in honky tonk for drinks and tips, but most of the time I spend behind these country bars. 'Cause I drink some beers. He shook his head as he shook his head. I heard someone asking, please, please, Mr. Bojangles, Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, all right. Dance. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Hi, Jamie. Say hi to your dad.
Yay! Shout out to Jamie Johnson.
Good morning, Iloilo.
Jamie Johnson is
And
watching.
also Atlanta, Georgia. Good evening.
Yes,
Shout out to Jamie
Johnson.
Johnson.
Yay! Thank you for watching.
Parang tagal.
Good evening, Chicago. Sige, ano tayo? Hala, Bira, wonderful Chito. Sino ka ba? Hala, Bira, wonderful Chito. Oh, sige na tayo. Kigalan tayo siya.
Here's an old song from Bob Dylan.
Let us show our face again. Ah, Jamie!
It ain't no use to sit and wonder why
Oh, Miss
you don't matter anyhow. It ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe, if you don't know by now. When the rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your windows and I'll be gone. You're the reason that I'm traveling on. Yeah, don't think twice, it's alright. Ain't no use in turning on the light, babe. Like the light I
Shout out to
let
Dax
on.
Gregorio from
Ain't no use
California.
in turning on the new light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still I wish there were something you would do or say to try and make change my mind and stay. We never did do much talking anyway. Don't think twice, it's alright. I'm walking down that long and lonesome road where I'm bound. I can't tell, but goodbye is too good a word, girl. So I'll just say fare thee well. I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You could have done better, but I don't mind. You're just wasted of my precious time. Oh, don't think twice, it's alright. It ain't no use in calling out my name, girl, like you never did before. It ain't no use in calling out my name, girl. I can't hear you anymore. I am well down the road. I once loved a woman, a child untold. I gave her my heart, but she wanted my soul. Oh, don't think twice, it's alright. Alright, baby.
That is watching right now. He should be the first one to say. Let's clap our hands. Hey!
Thank you. Okay.
All right.
Hello.
Go, Louie,
I
go!
can hear my iPad. I hope you guys are doing good.
Yes.
This is a live stream we're doing.
Oh, babe.
And the last time we did a live stream, I think it was my birthday last year. So it's fun to do this again. Happy Independence Day to the Philippines, according to Jennifer. I want to say hi to everyone who's watching, to Bree's family, Bree's dad.
Yes.
Bree. We're gonna play a few songs. I'm gonna get this song out of the way, but this one's dedicated to Bree and then to everyone that's watching.
And to that Jamie.
To Dad Jamie, according to my mom in the background. I can probably hear
Yeah.
you saying it.
Robin and Sam and Anthony.
Yeah. Shout out to Jimmy Rivera
Yeah, your
My cousin.
cousin in
in New Jersey.
New Jersey.
And also to Jean Gibaran family in
California.
Los Angeles,
Yeah,
California.
your
Shout out.
sister, yeah.
And I know you guys know this song because I always sing this one, so just sing along at your home, I guess. It's called Can't Take My Eyes Off of You.
Yes, Louie,
Sa mga
go!
kubonda, sa mga musikero sa Iloilo, may haga.
Yes. Good evening, Chicago. Go, go, Louie! Yay!
You're just too good to be true.
Woo!
Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I want to hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Green!
Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. On a lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay, let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. On a lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now sing a song?
No.
We are live here. Okay.
That was Can't Take My Eyes Off of You. We have a few more.
We have more than a few. Hope you guys enjoy.
Yes. Shout out to Jimmy Rivera from New Jersey and also to Jamie Johnson of Georgia. Thank you.
Sa mga taga Baluarte also.
Yes.
Na binigit kay Mami Pressy.
Mommy Pressy. We miss
My grandma's
you.
watching, my family and Julio's watching, and all of our friends and family as well. Hi.
And also sa mga taga Southville.
Yes, Southville.
Southville Subdivision. Kay Mama Epps and company. Nini An,
Carlo.
Carlo, Martin, Nestor, and
Roy.
Shout out to Australia.
And also sa mga taga Zamora. Sa kay Edwin Soltis and family.
Yay!
Si Paning. Si Wendy.
Sena.
Si Sena. At si
Ace
Also
Nonoy.
ni Nonoy. Nonoy Soltis.
And also to my sister. Inday Beck, Hiponia.
Okay, our next song. Ini
say.
one of our BFF favorites. Songs.
Oh, Miss Sexy Babes favorite.
Are you ready, Bill?
Nope.
Fly me to the moon.
Okay.
Thank
saying here, hi, Manang Bree. And also, a shout out kay, what's this? Aline or Alian?
Alian?
Martin.
Shout out na sa kumpare ko nga gwapo, si
Shout out to
Attorney Joshua Allen.
Yay! And Miss Sexy Babes of Love Radio.
Hello to everyone who's tuning in.
And also to Gigi Allen.
Yes. That Jamie Johnson is watching until very good.
Sa
And
mga Lusada family na, sa kay Maninay Neneng and
Lusada.
family. Yeah, shout out.
Jimmy Rivera and Judith
Also,
Valecero.
Manang Malu and Manong Salde.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Everybody from Chicago.
It's been so long since my baby has been here and I'm so lonely. I remember when she was my one and only, but I guess it doesn't matter anyway. When I think of her, all the time I made her cry, I hope she knows by now that I was just a little high, and I am sorry, but I guess it doesn't matter anyhow. If I had the time, I would try and find my mind. The years have quickly gone by, and there's no time for a lonely guy. But if you see her, tell her that I really care, and then I missed her. I remember all the nights I used to kiss her, but I guess it doesn't matter anyhow.
Woo!
If I have a time, I will try and find my mind. The years have quickly gone by, and there's no time for a lonely guy. But if you see her, tell her that I really care, and then I missed her. I remember all the nights I used to kiss her, but I guess it doesn't matter anyhow. Now, I guess it doesn't matter anyhow.
Woo! I love the song. Yoo-hoo.
Yeah, that was an old song from Jose Feliciano.
Yay! That's nice. Shout shout out to Luz Lopez.
Luz and family.
And also to the Chummers Ensemble. Who is this Belma yung Aga family checking in? The Huxon family is checking in. Yeah, Doctor. Hello, Dr. Dante. Alex Lacurum is watching. Melchor Pilais, our classmate, is watching. Hey, Marcon Alabanzas. Kahidlaw nga. Oh, hidlaw mo kami sa imo,
Also to
Marcon.
Pating and Company. Pating Iponea and Company.
Yeah.
And family.
And my sister in Daibek. Continue watching. Tutsi. And also people in Lucena. Lakduo family.
Okay. Here's our next song.
To our Chicago friends here. Manang Malu.
Wonder.
And anong salde? Micaldo. The Wonder of You.
When no one else can understand me.
Bree, you wanna sit there?
When everything I'll do is wrong. You gave me love and consolation. You gave me hope to carry on.
I cannot help but sing.
And you tried to show your love for me. And everything you do, that's the wonder.
Bree is watching.
The wonder of
Light, light.
And when you smile, the world is brighter. You touch my hand and I'm a king. Your kiss for me is worth a fortune. Your love for me is everything. And you're always there to lend a hand. And all I try to do, that's the wonder of you. I guess I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the wonder of you.
Yay! Shout out to Budik.
Tingnan ko to dito. Yeah, shout out to Captain Reynan Sarabia.
Sarabia. And also to Ace.
Let's take a 1 minute break.
Duga pa ng tutulan.
So, Bree, how do you like here? I guess. This is Bree. She's from Atlanta, Georgia. She's staying with us for a little bit. She's also my girlfriend. Yeah.
Thank you,
You
man.
did it, I'm proud of you. Yeah. That's all. My mom, my dad got his water. That's all.
Good.
Baby.
Pangga Marin. Thank you for watching.
Pangga
Oh,
Marin.
no. Pangga
Arandela.
Arandela.
Pasensya ka na
Marine,
pangga ha kay
Pangging Marine.
Gamalam, di ba?
Also to Bingbing Goddess. Shout out.
Taga Lucena, Joe and family, Jocelyn Soltis and family. Budik Parilio. Yeah, he's requesting for Dugo sa Kilonggo. Yeah. Budik Parilio. Yeah, Chito is going to sing that later, yeah.
Oh yeah, if you have any requests, we'll try to play the best out of any of them. Sometimes
Yeah.
we don't know them.
If you could sing that song, maybe my wife
Maybe
would
Bree,
sing it.
yeah.
Oh, sure, I'm just waiting.
Bree and my mom can sing.
Oh, no, I don't sing. I'm just behind the camera here, that's all.
This one is also a song that's a
Mali,
classic
bong
song.
body karon.
So, You Still Love Me Tomorrow. I hope you guys know the song. Whoops, I just hit my iPad. Cool. Okay.
There's an iPad there.
Tonight you're mine completely. You gave your love so sweetly. Tonight the light of love is in your eyes. But will you love me tomorrow?
Favorite song of Joshua Alim.
Is this everlasting treasure, or just a moment pleasure? Can I believe the magic in your smile? But will you love me tomorrow? Tonight with words unspoken, you say that I'm the only one. But will my heart be broken when the night meets the morning sun? I'd like to know that your love is love I can be sure of. So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still love me tomorrow? Will you still love me tomorrow? Will you still love me tomorrow?
Shout out to Manang Malu and Manong Sal de Bicaldo. There's a request here from Paning and Edwin. Someday.
Okay. Pete.
Pete. Also to James Kang. And our classmate Marlita Vargas Espinosa is watching right now. Hello to Chito. And our
So
lovely
it's called Someday, and
daughter
this is dedicated
watching.
to my grandmas
Yes.
Also to Paning and
and people of Samara and Iloilo.
Yeah, Paning and Edwin
This is
and
our first requested song.
yeah, someday.
I know that someday you want me to want you. When I'm in love with somebody new, you expect me to be true and keep on loving you. Though I am feeling blue, you think I can't forget you. Then until some want me to want you. When I'm in love with somebody new, although you don't want me now, I get along somehow, and I want you, and then I want you.
Yes. There you go. Someday for Panini and Edwin. There's a request here for any song from Jim Croce. And also shout out to Michael Tragico.
Anong to, Carmen?
Maria Vicente, Marian Vicente, and Ann is watching right now.
Okay, I would like to do a requested song from Jim Croce.
I have to say I love you na song.
Ano na ba yan?
Ang paano? Saan ka, di ba ako nag-partner?
Okay. What's the title that?
New York's not my home.
Mommy Helen Gansita is watching.
I can try to do perfect later.
Well, things spinning around me.
You wanna sing perfect?
All my thoughts are cloudy. I have begun to doubt all the things that were me. In so many places, you know it runs so many races. To the empty faces of the people of the night, something is just not right. There's something that I gotta get out of here.
Baka nga alam.
I'm so alone. Don't you know that I gotta get out of here? 'Cause New York not my home.
Kuya and Manghod.
You have to
The
keep looking
wooden
at
streets are crowded.
Mamaya, no, maganda yun.
There's something strange about it. Leave a body here and never want.
Marco Cheras is watching, Will. Can they both be
I thought I'd
perfect by
make
Ed
there
Sheeran
be
and
time to learn that lesson of a weekend. Now I'm telling you that they were not the nice kind. It's been so long since I have felt fine. That's the reason that I gotta get out of here. I'm so alone. Don't you know that I gotta get out of here? 'Cause New York not my home. That's the reason that I gotta get out of here. Oh, I'm so alone. Don't you know that I gotta get out of here? 'Cause New York not my home.
Yay, Dad! Yay!
Hey.
There is a request here from Marvic Mabilog. Can they both do Perfect by Ed Sheeran? For the whole family. Yeah, I think I will try.
I don't know. if I
Shout
can,
out for
but
Tita Helen Fusingan. Also, Judge
Actually, we're not
Javier, Wen
perfect,
Aquino.
so- I'm sorry.
Are you trying, Bill? Kuya and Manghod. Oh, okay. Hello. Shout out to Fritz Huxon and to Dr. Dante. Eva is watching. Shout out to my beautiful cousin, Eva Jimeno. And also Nilo and Lyle and Bim Bim Jimeno. Shout out sa taga Lucena.
Daddy.
Jocelyn Lakduo Saltis, and also to my brother Ray
I'll play part of
Saltis.
it. I can play probably part of it.
Okay, this really for Marvic, Marivic Mabilog. I-try ginay belo, bisan wala siya kakanta sang
I don't know if
he's
it's gonna be the same or translate the same. But
I think Marvic, yeah, wife of
I'll be in the corner.
Mayor Jed Mabilog.
What's Bill?
Marivic, try gini ay Bill. Although he's not singing this
Free
song.
help.
No. What am I gonna do?
Bill,
I found love
for your tita Marivic.
for me.
Yay! Perfect!
Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I've never seen
Go,
this.
Bill.
I found a girl,
Second voice.
beautiful and sweet. I never knew that you were someone waiting for me. Help.
Sing, Bella.
We were just kids when we fell
In
in
love.
love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and your eyes you're holding mine, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. You said you looked a mess, whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Yahoo! That's for Marvic Mabilog.
I hope it was good enough.
Thank you, Bill.
Okay, much better.
It's good enough. Very good. He tried. Very nice. Thank you, Bill. I love you, son.
Thanks, Mom.
Love you, Bree. Ang daddy wala. Hello, BFF, Babes Vasquez of Love Radio. Hello. Watching from New Lucena, Iloilo. Bell shout out. To my sister-in-law Jocelyn Soltis, Lakdu Soltis, and family, and also the Hipunia family, Jimeno family.
Okay. This time we're gonna do a Tagalog song. An old song from Ray Valera,
Yay!
especially to Reby Arandela.
Yes, Remy. Yeah. Judith Balicero and Jimmy Rivera and Jamie Johnson. It's a Tagalog song, though.
Tayo'y matanda na,
Yes, sexy babes, Vasquez.
di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y yakan at yakapin?
Wow.
Shout out to Marian.
There is a requested song by Fritz Magbanwa Hoxon. What's Wonderful Tonight? Oh, what are you singing, Will?
What am I singing?
Yeah, the way you look tonight. That's all you
Part
do.
again. Part lang ito. Part na. Okay.
Sila ko na
I don't know if you can see it.
For Fritz, Dad, for Fritz and Dr. Hoxon. Oh, yeah. Kuya Chito and Manghot.
Yeah. Okay, here's an old song from
Eric.
Eric Clapton.
For you, Fritz. I hope you're not working tonight. Yes, wonderful tonight. Yes. Wow. I didn't even know they're singing this song too.
It's late in the evening.
Oh, yes.
Just wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup. She browses her long hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight.
Yay. Woo. You look wonderful tonight, Bree.
Thank you.
We go to a party and everyone turned to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then I ask her, do you look alright? I said yes. You feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful 'cause I see the love in your eyes. Wonder of it all. Just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I got an aching head, so I give her the car key. She helps me into bed, and then I tell her as I turn off the light.
Grabe.
I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight.
Grabe akong baho na email ba?
Oh, my darling, I feel wonderful tonight.
Whoa. treats. And there's a song. There's a request here. Manang Pinky, shout out to Manang Pinky.
Manang
Lyson.
Lyson Rojo.
Oh, I will. There's a request here by I think Martin. I Can't Help Falling in Love. Oh, the favorite song of Brie.
Ano na?
Which one first?
Rainbow Connection. Ano na?
It's up to you. Go.
Rainbow lang.
Sure.
Okay, here's an old song.
For some reason, we never perfected, and we keep having to use lyrics here because
Yeah,
Yep.
and we love this song, so even if it's not really perfectly,
Still perfect.
Here we are.
Mark, sunod ng Can't Help Falling in Love, Mark. What is that? Rainbow Connection?
This one's called Rainbow Connection.
Yes. Great. Come on. Go, Louie.
Are there some
Yay.
songs about rainbows? What's on the other side?
Nice, Will.
Rainbows are visions, only illusions. Rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection. Lovers to dreamers and me. Who said that every wish would be heard and answered? Who wished on the morning star? Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. Look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? What do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection. Lovers, the dreamers, and me. Have you been half asleep? Have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls the young sailors? The voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection. Lovers, the dreamers, and me. Lovers, the dreamers, and me. Lovers and dreamers and Brie.
Yes, 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 yes. Yay. Thank you, Will. That's nice. Shout out to may kumare baby Lyson Porras. Ihado ko nagakanta. Oh, Bel, shout to your maninay baby Lyson
Shout out to
Porras.
Baby Lyson. Hi.
Your maninay.
And everyone who's watching, shout out to you guys too.
Yeah, also to where I work, Balmoral Nursing Home, and
Everyone from Balmoral Nursing Home.
and
Hello.
all the staff of United Airlines as
People in
well
Abington. Hello.
at Abington.
People in
Yeah.
the Waffle House. Hi.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Waffle House. Hello. Greetings from Chicago, Illinois. Joray Soltis is watching. Che Soltis is
Greetings to
watching.
Mark Zuckerberg.
The guy who owns Amazon.
Panga Monserrate Deliera is watching.
The Overwatch team.
He's not in the Overwatch team anymore. What are you talking about?
Finally cross-platform with Overwatch.
It's your turn, Dad. So, I will could rest for a while and sing the Can't Help Falling in Love.
This one's called The One I Love.
The one you love.
By who? I don't remember.
I don't know.
It's a classic song. I hope you guys know it.
Shout out to everyone, yeah.
I don't care for them sun and I'm not smart up top. At least it's never been that way. I know that it's not easy to understand my ways, but there's so much that I hope to say. When I'm standing right before you, I feel like a fool, blinded with the light in his eyes. No, it looks like steals the dark night in his soul. Shines like silver, the one I love. She glows like moonlight, the one I love. Is warm like sunshine, the one I love. Is the one I love. She shines like silver, the one I love. She glows like moonlight, the one I love. Is warm like sunshine, the one I love. I don't care for parties and I like it white lies. I never feel that he is really proud. I never found it easy to live the way I do. Sometimes the songs, the only time I think out loud. When I'm standing right before you, I feel like a fool who'll never find the right words to say no. When he stands, goes with the loose ends of the night. The one I love, she shines like silver. The one I love, she glows like moonlight. The one I love, she's warm like sunshine. The one I love, is the one I love. She shines like silver. The one I love, she glows like moonlight. The one I love, she's warm like sunshine. The one I love. Well, I'm standing right before you. I feel like a fool who'll never find the right words to say no. When he stands, goes with the loose ends of the night. The one I love, she shines like silver. The one I love, she glows like moonlight. The one I love, is warm like sunshine. The one I love. It's the one I love. She shines like silver. The one I love. She glows like moonlight. The one I love. Is warm like sunshine. The one I love. It's the one I love. She shines like silver. The one I love. She glows like moonlight. The one I love. Is warm like sunshine. The one I love.
Yeah. Shout out to Tita Helen Fusingan.
Huh? Who?
Helen. Where is this? Also, that classmate ko na kamo ni Marivic Mabilog sa San Agustin. Your soul is my cousin Eva Jimeno. And thank you for watching. Merry Mary Ann Makatwal. Bantam B from, is she from Canada, right? But
Canada,
Ma'am
Suon
Bucana.
Bel. Suon ta.
Yeah.
Ibang tambi.
And also, Mary Ann Makatwal, damo isang comment siya. Oh, thank you for watching, Mary Ann. Ari ko sa likod ng camera. Bim Bim Jimeno is watching. Rowena Aquino. And also, Your Solis. Wow. A lot are watching right now. Okay, shout out to all Chicago friends, relatives, and friends. So, ano? Yeah,
Okay, so
there's a request here. Yeah, Can't Help Falling in Love, requested by my apo Martin.
About to sing some songs about how some wise men say something about falling in love.
Martin Vicente. This is for him, Martin, and for everybody else. Can't help falling in love. Huh? Well, let's
This one's dedicated to Bree.
yes, Bree's favorite song to Martin Soltis Vicente's favorite song. Can't help falling in love.
Wise
Yes.
men say
Woo!
only fools rush in,
Is that true?
but I can't help falling in love with you.
Can't help falling in love with you, Bree.
Shall I stay? Would it be
Ari ka ng nubyaya, oh.
a sin?
From Atlanta, Georgia, Bree Johnson.
Can't help
Welcome to the family, Bree.
falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes, that some things are meant to be. And take my hand and take my whole life too. 'Cause I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes, that some things are meant to be. And take my hand and take my whole life too. 'Cause I can't help falling in love with you. 'Cause I can't
Ano sa'yo?
falling in love with you.
Yes. Thank you, Bill. Shout out to Rowena Aquino. She's watching right now. Diyos ko. Live ni live. Pasensya na ka po kayo. Luyag-luyag yun eh. Wala na may mo kay kana niya. Wala tala magkana ko tay. Karoon ka lang yan tay ah. Sadya lamang.
Okay, Bree, tell us.
Kigan sa kong tatay mo. Kigan sa kong tatay. Kalantaw daan to subong. Sadya naman.
Why request? Why? Thank you.
Okay.
Ano na,
Ano na lang sa lista?
all my love.
Okay. Shout out to my sister-in-law in California, LA, California, Jean Macatual Guevara and family, and Junjun Guevara.
Shout out to all those people. Also, this song's by the Beatles called All My Lovin'.
Okay.
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day. And I'll send all my loving to you. I'll pretend that I'm kissing the leaves I am missing. And hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day. And I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day. And I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. All my loving, all my loving, ooh, all my loving, I will send to you.
Woo!
Thank you.
Sensya lang, kahit walang di kami audience ni Brio. There's a request here.
I don't request.
Leader of the band.
Oh, just
Si Mary Ann is requesting for ano kaya itong song? Leader of the band, tapos Loving Arms. Hambal ni Babes nga, wala ka kung nagatulok sa kay, I will kagay break kay na. Tuntugin sa si Babes ni mo? Naalad na kami ah. Tay, ano nakataon mo? Ano tay? Jory Soltis, Panga Monserrate.
mga request na hindi na kabalo na ako.
Soltis.
If you could see me now. Wala mo na, Bel.
Shout out to Carlo Vicente,
Ano lang.
my son-in-law,
To Mary Ann
Makatwal,
Makatwal.
and
ano rin?
also Libscher. Yeah, I can't pronounce the last name. And also to Edgar Siskar. He's watching right now. Carlo, Edgar
Just do
Siskar.
the Simon and Garfunkel.
Ellen Grace Soltis Capulot Otero is watching right now.
Para sa inyo tanan, to each and everyone.
Mary Ann Paul Talavera. Yo! Oh, anak ka na da?
I am just a poor boy, though my story is seldom told. I've squandered my resistance
Ito na sa'yo.
for a packet full of mumbo Texas roses. All lies and gels, see the man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. When I left my home, my family, I was no more ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Alright, everyone. La la la. La 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 la.
Shout out sa Hubon!
La 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 la.
Yes.
Asking only workman's wages, like I'm looking for a job, but I get no offers. Is it coming from the words of 7th Avenue? I'll do declare there were times when I was so lonesome, I took some comfort there. Okay, one more time. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Laying out my winter clothes and wishing I was gone going home. Well, the New York City winters aren't eating me. Eating me. Going home. In the clearing stands a boxer, and the fighter by his straight. Then he carries the reminders on every glove that laid him down or catch him till he cried out in his anger and his shame. I am leaving, but the fighter still. Alright, Pacquiao. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la
Yes! Woo!
Oo.
Tita Babes, the way you look tonight. And another request later, handog. Shout out to Mary Ann Po Talavera. Yay! Thank you for watching, Mary Ann. Mary Ann is watching. Thank you.
This one is called The Way You Look Tonight, and I don't remember the lyrics, but you know, the last time I sang this song was probably last year.
The favorite song of your Tita Babes Vasquez
Shout out
of
to
Love
my
Radio.
To Bree, who's pouting. My dad.
Your dad said, drop the
Yeah.
beats."
This they are both. Did you introduce yourself as father and son?
My name is Louis.
Yeah.
Luisito.
It's supposed to be backwards.
Yeah, Luisito is the small Louis. But this is the father and this is the son.
You
You
guys
know.
know me as Idol too. So.
Yeah, I Bill.
And you know me as Chito Ilonggo.
Shout out to all your classmates in San Agustin, Dad, college classmates in San Agustin, and also to our high school classmates at San Jose Catholic School.
Everything that my mom said.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also my batchmate
Di na pagyambal ko ano nga year.
during my grade school year.
At Baluarte Elementary
Baluarte
School.
Elementary School.
Yes.
Shout out to everyone.
Yes, people from Baluarte, Mami Presi, Makatwal, and family there. If you're watching, hello. And to Maninay, our Ninang, Annabelle. Jong, Annabelle, Biliesa.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my, cheer, kamu sa likod ayo.
Someday,
Yay!
when I'm awfully low,
She should have something to.
when the world is cold, I will feel the glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight.
Yes. May dragi niya si Brio. Lovely.
With your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. Hold on.
Nothing for me but to love you.
And the way you look tonight.
Takot siya sa likod niya.
With each word, your tenderness grows,
Ay, happy. So,
tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Lovely, don't you ever change.
wala sa tayo, ya.
Keep the breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you
Ay, na-sexy pa yung sinablos mo.
and the way you look
Tonight.
with each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Lovely,
So, jagi
never
sa'yo.
ever change. Keep the breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you and the way you look
Tonight. Ay, sadyahan ka sa
just the way you look
tonight.
and the way you look tonight.
Yay! Thank you, Brie! That was a good performance. Thank you.
Backup dancer, don't I?
I'm proud of you.
So proud of you. Thank you, Brie.
Round of applause for Bree.
Yay!
She's a good dancer.
Oh, I wish you will sing, Brie.
No.
Your Ninong Edwin, Jeric is watching right now in California.
Hello.
Your Ninong, and also Willis Peña, Florida. Maninoy Perry Berry is watching right now. Also,
Shout out to Perry Berry,
yes, and also
our Maninoy.
Binsky Sotrina.
I'm watching my dad.
Wait. No, go back.
What's on the list? Tay,
Handog, me?
yeah, somebody is requesting for handog.
Hindi pa siya ka...
Shout out to my brother Raul Soltis,
Okay, here's a request song from my brother.
and also Zahavier is watching right now. Virginia
Penny?
is Wow, how long have you been doing this? Family have a singing history. Bans Katoliko, yeah.
Handog.
Ibinilang
Handog.
isang bituin sa lahat ng nagatid sa akin. Itong handog ko ay dinggin.
Yes! Yay!
Parang kailan
That's
lang
nice.
ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirap abutin.
Oh, beautiful.
Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang isang awitin.
Shout out to Ate Esther Galapon.
Parang kailan lang halos ako ay magpalimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa
Thank you,
inyo,
Marvic.
ang aking tiyan at ang bulsa'y nagkalaman.
Shout out to Dr. Boyet.
Kaya ditong awiting
Come on.
aking inaawit, nais ko'y kayo ang
From Atlanta,
andugan.
Georgia. Hello, Joyce.
Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama.
Shout out to Maricon. She's the one who requested for the song Handog. Maricon Alabanzas.
Parang kailan lang ang mga awitin ko ay ayaw pakinggan. Dahil sa inyo, narinig ang isip ko at naintindihan. Dahil dito'y ibig ko kayong ituring na matalik kong kaibigan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama.
Yay! Thank you! Very nice! Yes! Woo! That goes to Maricon of Hubon, and also shout out to all members of Hubon, especially to the President
Pablito.
Sir Pablito
Araneta,
Araneta.
shout out.
and Edwin Watas,
And also to Edwin Watas.
and to all the
And my
members.
very good friend, PJ Solwaga.
Where is he? Why is not
Boyet.
watching? Come on, Boyet!
Idlaw kami simo, friend.
And also, Brother John.
And also my very very good friend, Brother John, Leandro Proctuso.
Via Marie is watching. Ipunia, Maria Evelyn Talamor. Evelyn, dumduman mo pa ko. Babes Vasquez. Wait ha. Babes Vasquez has a request. Ay, Dad. Our BFF Babes Vasquez is requesting for On the Inside, the favorite song of Mommy Pressy Makatual.
Ano ito siya nga pala?
Don't know. Katabi ito no. Yan
Ano
ito.
yan ba?
Honey inside the
Okay.
sun.
Ano na yun?
Wala balaan ko.
Ano siya sa
She
Lubo lang.
she used to give me roses. Mark De
Okay,
Jesus
let's do the
Dilag.
best song here.
Marlene Secreto, our classmate in high school, is watching. On the inside for Miss Sexy Babes Vasquez and from Mommy
To
Pressy.
Miss Six Babes and
Mami.
Captain Reynan Sarabia.
Yeah, and also Reynan Saliente is watching. And this song is for Mommy Pressy. Makatwal, okay? Baluarte! Woo! Nice! Shout out to Patrick John Suba Hilapan.
She used to give me roses.
Woo!
I wish she could again, but that was on the outside, and things were different then.
Tando Playbo ko ba?
We built our world together
This is for Mommy Pressy Makatwal.
with a love so clear and strong.
Walay BI ha?
But that was on the outside. Where did I go wrong? And inside our sun still shine, and the rain falls down. But the sun and rain are prisoners too.
Lilibeth Espinosa is watching, Realisa.
When morning comes around, last night I dreamed we were together, sharing all that love we've known, till I have to face a nightmare of waking up alone. And inside the sun still shines, and the rain falls down, but the roses build our prisoners too. When morning comes around,
Favorite part of Braves.
and inside the sun still shines. They don't mind the stony ground, but the roses are prisoners too. When morning comes around, she used to give me roses. I wish she could again, but that was on the outside, and things were different then.
Ako na na Biani Babes. Ang favorite. Hindi ka na part. Instrumental. There we go. Yay. Thank you. So, Joray Soltis, shout out to you. Who is saying this? Katagom sang setup. Happy Independence Day. And Babes is insisting and asking why you're not looking at Brie and Louie while they are kissing each other. Why, Dad? Tuntog ni nga BFF ni ay. Richard is watching. Shout out to my brother Raul Soltis. Okay, this is an original composition by Chito Longo. Daw sang san o lang. Para sa tanan ng musikero.
Ulang ilang kapulaw agud may galastuhon sa kada adlaw.
Tukayaw, tukayaw.
Tausang-san ulang nagatalang-talang.
Nga may kay break kay kamali pa yun nga bata.
Mahibalan ang patulungan. Klase isang trabaho, wala kasiguruhan. Kabuhi sang musikero, hindi mapaktan. Apang initanan, handumanan na lang. Akon kapalaran, maayo ang nadangatan. Bangod sa pagpaninguha, ako nakaluyan. Akong nagliligal, dosusan ulang.
Tumaybe ka dad. Tumaybe ka dad. Kung tumaan mo nagliligan mo.
Dausan-san ulang, permi na akigan.
Cesar Aztec
Kay
is
wala
watching.
kapati sa akong ginikanan. Inabaliwala, pangalay kay nila. Bangod sang pagkahuyog sa musika. Dausang-san ulang, oo, dausang-san ulang. Ining mga handumanan, hindi malimtan. Dausang-san ulang, oo, dausang-san ulang. Akon mga pag-antos, dausang-san ulang. Apang initanan, handumanan na lang. Akon kapalaran, maayo ang nadangatan. Bangod sa pagpaninguha, ako nakaluyan. Akon nagliligal, dausang-san ulang.
Yay!
Mga pag-antos ko,
For Love Radio and for
dausang-san
Sexy
ulang.
Woo! Yay!
Dausang-san ulang.
Yeah, that was an original composition by Chito Longo. Well. Mayong aga halindi sa Rojas City. Thank you. It's nighttime here in Chicago. It's almost like 10 p.m. in Chicago. And there is one request here and it's so weird and oh my god, I don't know what to say. Rebby Perez Escobar. Hey, Rebby! Francis Gailo is watching. Mary Ann Balunton. Okay, there is a request from one of our classmates in high school, Sophia Kua Melgar. I want Buday to sing. The I have you. Oh, sorry.
Iya, matikling lang ito day.
Oh, sorry. Sophia, I'm just behind the camera. Gusto mo malipong ko, di ka naman may video. Sa sunod lang ah. Ray, my brother Ray Soltis is watching. Also, Elsa Franco is watching. Hello, Bree is watching.
Hello, people in Iloilo.
Yeah, very good. Very good, yeah. Hello, people in Iloilo.
Hindi ka magadli.
Also, sige na, Bill.
May tumahan, ano na, may tumahan.
Your Tito Ray is watching, Bill.
Okay. This time, this is
Also,
for
my ancient Edie
Mama
and
X.
Granny, who seem to be popping in and out of the stream. I don't know if they're still there, but hello if you are.
Hello,
Hello,
Granny.
Hello, Georgia.
Hi, we're here in Chicago, Granny. Hello to you.
And Georgia, yeah.
Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, people from Georgia. Hi, Granny. And Auntie Aubrey. Eileen Capalia is watching. So, you have to sing Dugo sa Isa Kalongo later, huh? Eileen Capalia is watching. Momo Dalisay is watching. Our classmate Marlene Danny is watching.
Wonderful tonight, Tina.
Ha?
Wala si, mga katukay sa Wonderful tonight, Tina.
Si Fritz.
Oo. Request to,
Watching siya. Oh, narasa.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh.
Danny, hello from the Radovanovic family. Bell, si Danny Bell.
Who's Danny?
Danny, your very best friend.
You
Hi,
want to
Danny?
say 3 times
Yeah.
the
Hi,
charm.
Danny.
Hi, Danny. Meet Bree here. Bree is here with us.
Hello.
The girlfriend of Louie.
This one's called Only You. It's for my grandma and everyone that's watching.
Only you.
My mama and
Make
papa.
this world
So
seem
this.
right.
Hey.
Only you can make the darkness bright. Only you, when you alone, can thrill me like you do, and fill my heart with love for only you. Only you can make these change in me.
Hey.
Oh, it's true. You are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I'll understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you. Only you can make this world me. For it's true.
Paula, Janine, Johnson is watching.
When you hold my hand, I'll understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you. You're my dream come true, my one and only you.
Yay. Mel, balik ka gano'n. Kay galanto. Ang mga tiya ni ano. Balik to.
Hindi ka gabi.
Sa isa lang kakanta. Ano pa na, Dad? Ang si Raul Solti siya request for handog again. Tapos na to, Che. Nakanta mo tanan, Bel, no? Ang sa'yo mo, Bel.
Mr. Arnold, turn, go na.
Hello, Brie from Raul Soltis. Si Jay Hiponia is watching. Benigno di Manigras.
Teka po, wala.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Why pull my pants off?
Your aunt is watching, Paula Janine.
Yeah, that's her.
Hi, Paula. Greetings from Chicago. Bree is with us here.
That also might be my granny, 'cause I know I
Granny.
know that she likes to use her Facebook page sometimes.
What's her first name?
Brenda.
Granny Brenda. Shout out to you. Hello.
Okay.
Bree is with us here. And here's the father.
Goodbye, phone.
And here is Louis. Louis is going to sing another song for you, for all of you. Somebody saying, Bree, I can't wait to meet you.
Sorry, it's figuring something out. Every This one is a classic song. It's called Bizarre Love Triangle by New Order, but we're doing like an acoustic version of it. Yes, that's all I have. Enjoy, and hello to everyone who's tuning in. Thank you for being here with us tonight.
Granny Brenda,
You
hello.
guys are having a good time.
Every time I think of you, I feel a shot right through it with a bolt of blue. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem I find. Living the life that I can't leave behind. There's no sense in telling me the wisdom of a fool won't set you free. That's the way that it goes, and it's what nobody knows. Every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say. And I feel fine and I feel good. I'm feeling like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. Why can't we be ourselves like we were yesterday? I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think you're what you seem. I do admit to myself that if I hurt someone else, I'll never see just what we're meant to be. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say.
Yay! Thank you, Louis. There's another requested song here, and I think you will really have to play this, Louis, since the relatives and the family of Bree are watching in Georgia. So there's a requested song. Please play again. Can't take my eyes off of you. Is that okay?
Okay. You wanna sing with me this time, Bree?
Yes, yay! Thank you for Aunt Paula, Janine Johnson for the
You're
Jamie
just
Johnson.
too good to be
Yay!
Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I want to hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true.
How big is it?
Can't take
My eyes off of you.
Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, just let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I love you, baby. If it's not alright, I need you, baby. To warm a lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down like gray. Oh, pretty baby, I finally stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I want to hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived,
PG Sulwaga is
One of
watching.
our original composition.
PG Sulwaga finally is watching that.
Hello, Boyet.
Boyet. Ay, Boyet.
And this song is for all the Ilonggos.
Yay! Original composition.
The song is entitled Dugo Sang Isa Ka Ilonggo.
Yeah, an original composition by Chito Longo. Yay! This song has been like 20 years old already. Sa tanan-tanan nga mga Ilonggos. Yay!
Iloilo,
Yeah.
akong banwa, siyudad ka sang paghigugma. Kalinong akon na akong sa banwa nga may paglaong. Hindi kagit pagpabayan, tugtog sa kamatayan. Ihalad ko kabuhi man,
Rachel is watching.
umanwa ko kung kinahanglan.
Yes, yay!
Dugo sang isa ka Ilonggo, nagapanalaitay sa ugat ko. Ilo-ilo, ubanwa ko, yara ka sa dugan ko. Datangis ang balatyagon, ikaw ang ginapanungdong, akong ginakahidlawan, ubanwa kong tinubuan. Iloilo, ubanwa ko, lugar ko nga nahamutan, hindi kagit pagkalimtan, ubanwa ko nga ginbon agahan.
Yes!
Dugo sang isa ka Ilonggo, nagapanalaitay sa ugat ko. Ilo-ilo, ubanwa ko, yara ka sa dughan ko. Dugo sang isa ka Ilonggo, nagapanalaitay sa ugat ko. Ilo-ilo, ubanwa ko, yara ka sa dughan ko. Maraming nga salamat.
Hi, June.
Abyan. Family and friends, thank you very much.
Tayo may encore di tayo. Tayo may encore pa di. Fortunato June de los Reyes. Empty chair, please.
Okay. Para sa matalik kong kaibigan sa Libya. Pare John de los Reyes.
Sana,
Song for you.
sana tapos na June eh, pero malakas ka sa akin eh. High boost daw. Shout out to the Guevaras and License of Molo, Iloilo City. Yay!
I feel the trembling tingle of the sleepless night. Grip to my fingers and the moon is bright. Beams of blue come flickering through my window pane, like gypsy moths that dance around the kindle flame. And I wonder if you know
I have like popping in now. I don't
that I never understood that although you said you'd go, until you did, I never thought you would. light used to bathe the contours of your face. Wild chestnut giggle all around the pillowcase. And the fragrance of your flowers rests beneath my head. As you got your bouquet left with the loudest dead. And I wonder if you know that I never understood. That although you said you'd go, until you did, I never thought you would. Never thought the words she said were true. Never thought the words is what she meant. Never knew how much I needed you. Never thought you'd leave until you went.
Shout out to John Lyson Guevara of California.
Morning comes and morning goes with no regret. The evening brings the memories I can't forget. Empty rooms that echo as I climb the stairs, and empty clothes that break and fall on empty chairs. And I wonder if you know that I never understood. That although you said you'd go, until you did, I never thought you would. Thank you. Sige.
164.
Sino naman na nagpano?
Wala kita.
Meron?
Gusto mo pa kayo? Ha?
Oh,
Ilan tinto?
you're
Papatay?
gonna
Paano? Hindi lang.
Gusto mo 164 ka sa college dyan, di ba?
Ha?
164 ka ako sa college dyan, di ba?
Ano?
Walang ano.
So ako estudyante, una tapos 1, I'm 64.
Dua?
So we're ending. Yay, thank you, thank you. So 2 more songs
We're doing the
and
last 2 songs. This one is I think it's a favorite in Iloilo. It's one of my dad's original songs.
Especially sa mga bulakbero, ano nga yan, bulakbol.
mga palaligoy, mga estudyante.
Okay, here we go.
Shout out
Saan
for
ako?
John.
Estudyante pa.
John Guevara of California.
Sang ako, estudyante pa, pero bilang galigoy sa eskwela. Imbis nga bulutuan, sugalan ang ginasudlan, gani subong wala, sang may nahibalan. Pag-abot sang examination, wala gid ako sabat sa mga questions. Nagaulat na lang, agud mapasahan, sang sabat sang kaingon ko sa kulungkuan. Gani subong mga kabataan, inagyan ko hindi gid ninyo pagsundan. Agud wala sang pagahinulsulan, kag maayo inyo madangakan. estudyante pa.
Shout out.
Permi lang galikoy sa eskwela. Imbis nga bulutuan, inuman ang ginakatuan. Puro hinubog lang, akon na ibalan. Ang grado pagkakuha ko, kung hindi kulang pula ang marka ko. Bisan anhon kuman, hindi git matabangan. Gani subong wala may nahibalan.
Yes.
Gani subong mga kabataan. Inagiyan ko hindi git ninyo pagsundan. Agud wala sang pagahinulsulan. Kag maayo inyo magtangapan. Sang ako estudyante pa, permi lang galigoy sa eskwela. Imbis na bulutuan, sinihan ang ginasudlan. Gani subong wala may nahibalan. Ala, ligoy!
Shout out to my brother Raul
Okay.
Soltis, to
We're
my
doing one last
BFF,
Shout out.
BFF Babes Vasquez, Johnny Guevara, PG Salwaga, my only sister, Inday Vic Hiponia. And sa tanan-tanan nga nagtanaw, subong nga gabi.
We have one more
Thank you.
song.
One more song, Edward.
Thank you,
This is,
Jamie
by the Beatles.
Johnson and family.
We just want to thank everyone who tuned in tonight. I'm glad you guys are all here. I hope you guys had fun. We'll try to do this again sometime soon, maybe. Big maybe, depending on when we have time again. We're gonna be here. We're gonna be showing Bree, Illinois.
Shout out to Babes Lee. Babes Lee.
Babes Lee, Teresa Lee, and also shout out to Jimmy Rivera and also Judith Belicero watching right now, and Jamie Johnson, Tanan ngay Longos, and all our Chicago friends, relatives and friends, Manang Malu, Manang Salde.
Okay.
Thank you for
Our
watching.
last song from the Beatles.
Oh, when I'm 64.
When I'm 64.
You're losing my head. Many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine? Birthday greeting, bottle of wine. If I've been out, 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? And you'll be older too. And if you say the word, I could stay with you. I could be handy fixing the fuse when your lights are gone. We could eat a treat by the fireside. Sunday morning, go for a ride like do in the garden, smoking the weeds. Who could ask for more?
Rex Silveriaga.
Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Every summer we would read a cottage in the Isle of Wight if it's sunny dear. And we shall scream and say, grandchildren on your knee, Vera, Chuck, and Dave. Send me a postcard, drop me a line, stating point of view, indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Gave me your answer, filling the form, mine forevermore. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Alright.
Shout out kay Jenny De La Riarte. Reby Arandela, Jennifer Sawaga, Helen Fusingan, Tita Helen Fusingan, Lourdes Arboleda Perez, mga relatives ni Mama. Yay!
Good night,
Thank you.
folks.
Good night.
Thank
And
you.
for those whom I was not able to shout out, sorry because I'm behind the camera and I'm so afraid to touch the camera. I might lose the scene. Thank you, thank you. We love you
Thanks for
all.
the like and subscribe our YouTube
Thank
channel. Just
you.
kidding.
Yeah. Yes, please subscribe to the YouTube channel of Chito Elongo and also Louis 613. Mugigil ko musikero ka doon, hindi ka makuntat, no? Yay! May papan magali.
Tungkol sa'yo
Woo!
at sa ligayang
Love the bass and the basses.
iyong hatid
Thank you
sa aking
for all your comments, my
tuloy ang bigas
classmates namon sa high school, San Jose Catholic School, classmates ko sa West Visayas State University,
bawat minuto
School of Nursing, classmates ni Chito sa San Agustin College of Commerce, to our relatives and friends, family of Bree Johnson in Atlanta, Georgia, thank you.
sa isip at panaginip
Boy at Salwaga, Jennifer Salwaga,
hinahanap
John Lyson Guevara,
sabik sa'yo
Woo!
kahit maghapon na tayong magkasama.
God bless Philippines, halong tanan.
Ang ating ending
Yay!
hatid sa bahay niyo, sabay dahin, sabay make kiss.
Thank you, BFF. We love you. We love you.
Sa umagit sa misa, bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita.
Our daughter An and family, Mama Ebbs, Roy Anthony Soltis, Nestor Soltis, Raul Soltis, Ray Soltis, Inday Vic Soltis, Nestor Soltis, taga Santa Barbara day kaning-kaning,
Alright.
and husband Michael.
Thank you for.
Thank you, Judith Balucero,
Please subscribe to my
YouTube channel.
Chinalongo.
Yay!
Bawa naman kayo. Mag-subscribe na.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, sa umagat sa gabi
Tita Lourdes Arboleda Perez.
Hinahanap-hanap kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Kung sa pag-remony hanggang uwi ang araw-araw, hinahanap-hanap kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Love you too. We love you. We love you all.
Kahit na magkaanak kayo't magkatuluyan balang araw, hanap-hanapin ka. Hanap-hanapin ka.
Good night. Yay.
Bill, good timing. Good timing. Oh. Good. Good timing.
Pero pa picture, dapat ang iwan ang gamitin.
Okay.
Suktan, kayo na ko naman kung nag-gamit sa instruments. But, sige na.
Ano na, hindi na nagalan.
Tay,
Oh.
Hindi na nagalan.
Ang ano, me?
ano? Pumunta din na gawin mo.
Hindi na.
Ha? Para daw sa'yo.
Ang ano?
Hindi na yung huwag mo na na.
Hindi. Hindi ako nagdala.
Dali na,
Abi mo
Chris.
ano ni Papa.
Oo, si Papa, ito ka matisan.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Picture na kuya.
Thank you.
Thank you. Picture na kuya. Sige na.
Hindi.
Kaya din, kamera din na kamera.
Hindi.
Saka naman po, yes. Picture na kuya. Nga, wala ko kung nagatulak ang balibis.
Oh, yeah, po.
Hindi na ko, Ben.
Alright, right here.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody smile. 1, 2. Oh, whoops. Okay, one more time.
One more.
1, 2. Okay, everybody say Georgia.
Georgia!
We're just looking at it. Anyway, that's it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Arin ako. The
Yeah.
woman behind the camera. Yay.
Oh my god, my legs.
And your nice comments.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you, Brie.
Bye, Shona. Bye.
Ay, Bill, tudloan mo gina siya bro magkanta. Ay, Bill,
Ha?
tudloan mo na siya magkanta.
Okay.
Okay, para nga next time she could join, ha?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dito yan, next lang yan.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Papa Turing, for watching also.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye.
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 Good night.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Here we go again.
Sabi man, me.
Oo, nami. Thank you, everyone.
Hindi pala boring.
Oo, thank you. Sabta na yung pamangkot ni Babes Nga ako na may kagatanaw kung mag-kissy break ag say I will. Good night, everyone. Thank you. I don't know how to turn this off now.
Balan mo, babes. Nahiya ako. Kapin pa sa bata ko.
Ben, I don't know how to turn this off now.
Press the button.
Where is the button now? I don't. Bree, help.
Push the button and throw in the garbage.
Where's the button now?
Sakit ako.